Springfest 2026 at Lowe's is officially live, and if you live for the thrill of scoring a massive bargain, then this video is exactly where you need to be. We're talking 5 bags of mulch for just 10 bucks. Ego is throwing in free attachments worth nearly $200. DeWalt combos are seeing some deep price cuts. And honestly, keep an eye on the clearance section. I've seen $300 items marked down to just $99. That's a 70% price drop that you almost never see at a big box hardware store. Whether you're a seasoned pro, a homeowner in the middle of a renovation, or just a DIY nut, this is your biggest chance of the year to work hard and save harder. In this video, I've trimmed all the fat to bring you the ultimate must-buy list. Time is money, and this March, your dollar is going to have more power than ever. Are you ready to clear out the best deals on the floor? Let's get to work. Let's start things off easy, but trust me, these are the deals that almost everyone walking into Lowe's this season should at least glance at once. We're kicking things off with what I call the soul of springtime. Can you guess what it is? Yep, mulch and garden soil. Right now, Lowe's has a deal where you get 5 bags of mulch for just $10. That's basically $2 a bag. Now that might sound average, but if you've ever bought this off-season or at a smaller boutique shop, you're looking at $3.50 to $4 a bag. You're literally saving 50% here. I remember the prices being a bit higher last year, so this is a highly impressive price point. They've got 3 colors ready to go: elegant black, vibrant red, and natural brown. The red looks super flashy right when you spread it, but trust me, the black or brown will keep that cinematic look in your garden much longer without fading out too fast under that harsh sun. Lowe's knows everyone needs this to give their yard a facelift. Personally, I was too lazy to grab them during the sale last year and ended up paying nearly double just to plant a few tomatoes for my kids. Total rookie mistake. This is a legitimate lifesaver deal if you're planning any landscaping. Once you're done out in the yard, follow me over to the storage aisle. If your garage looks like a bomb went off kind of like mine after my kids' DIY projects, then these black storage totes with the yellow lids are your absolute best friend. The 27-gallon storage bin is sitting at around $7.98. Might just look like a plastic box, right? But think about this: for about $160, you can grab 10 of these and a 5-tier shelving unit and completely transform a cluttered garage into a functional space. Compared to hiring a cleaning service or buying a several $100 cabinet system, this is the ultimate budget move. I once reorganized my back shed, and believe me, just getting a few of these sorting your gear out, suddenly your house feels twice as big. This isn't exactly a sexy deal, but it's a must-buy if you want to get your life organized, and that's just the low-hanging fruit. Up next, I'm diving into the deals that are the absolute best value in all of Springfest, the kind of stuff you're going to seriously regret missing. If you're into this kind of smart shopping content, make sure to hit that follow button, because the next part is where this video really earns its keep. If part 1 was just the 101 basics that everyone needs, then this right here is the real reason you clicked on this video. We're talking heavy-duty machinery, the kind of gear that's going to completely flip the script on how you do yard work from here on out. Let's take a deep dive into the Ego Power Plus ecosystem at Lowe's this season, where the real value is hidden in some absolutely insane freebie numbers. Stop what you're doing and listen close to this one. At a $359 price tag, you might think, whoa, that's a bit steep for a weed whacker, isn't it? But look at what's tagged along. Lowe's is throwing in a free attachment worth nearly $200. With this deal, you aren't just buying a trimmer, you're buying the backbone of a pro-level landscaping system. Thanks to that multi-head design, you can swap it from a string trimmer to a hedge sculptor or a pole saw in literally seconds. And man, the feeling when you pull the trigger on an Ego, it's a whole different ballgame. No deafening engine roar, no smelling like a gas station for 3 days, just pure raw power and zero vibration. Your hands won't feel like they've been holding a jackhammer after 30 minutes of work. This is a highly impressive upgrade over those clunky ancient gas guzzlers. The next must-see deal is the Ego Leaf Blower. Normally, a kit comes with 1 battery and a charger, but for Springfest, they're tossing in a bonus battery completely free of charge. Anyone who's switched to cordless tools knows the deal. The tool itself isn't the pricey part. It's the battery that costs an arm and a leg. A spare 5.0 ampere hour battery could easily set you back a couple $100 on its own. Having two batteries means you can work in a loop, one's running, one's charging, and you never have to take a forced coffee break in the middle of your chores. I've used this thing to blast sawdust out of my garage after a wood project, and the wind speed is so nuts it'll blow away wet leaves or even small pebbles like they're nothing. It's a total lifesaver for anyone who's too lazy for a broom. Finally, the crown jewel of the Ego lineup, the walk-behind mower. This isn't a deal for someone looking for the cheapest scrap of metal on the floor. This is for the person who wants a lifestyle upgrade. Think about it. Instead of bleeding $50 every week for a lawn service, this investment pays for itself before the summer's even over. It's so quiet, you could mow your lawn at 7 a.m. on a Sunday without your neighbors plotting your demise. And since it's self-propelled, you basically just rest your hands on it and go for a stroll. The mower does all the heavy lifting. Once you see that lawn finished with Ego's dual blade system, it looks as crisp and clean as a pro golf course. Trust me, these high-value deals vanish off the shelves faster than a free donut in a break room. If you want to invest in your home the smart way, you need to buy right now before the promo dries up. What do you think about this Ego ecosystem? Drop a comment below. And if you want to find out the under-the-radar discounts in other departments, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss part 3 coming up next. Now let's go hunt through the hand tools where some tiny items with big attitudes are getting some massive price slashes. Now that we've tackled the heavy lifting with that Ego system, let's step into the real rewards of springtime. These aren't just tools that get the job done. These are the items that actually level up the whole vibe of your home. Go ahead, take a look at your backyard right now. All that grime, mildew, and winter buildup making everything look gray and depressing, right? That is exactly why you need to buy right now a pressure washer at Lowe's. There is honestly nothing more satisfying than grabbing that wand and watching a high-pressure blast rip through years of stubborn dirt in a split second. It feels like you're literally painting brand new back onto your house. Instead of dropping hundreds on a pro cleaning service, a mid-range machine from this Springfest sale will handle everything from your driveway and fence to the family SUV. You're going to see a highly impressive transformation in your curb appeal after just 15 or 20 minutes. For me, this is a total lifesaver that saves you hours of back-breaking manual scrubbing. Now this next one is what I call an emotional sell. We're looking at a Charbroil 4-burner gas grill marked down to about $179. That's a solid $70 off, or a $300 griddle combo with the tool set included. On paper, it's just outdoor cooking gear, but in reality, it's a Saturday night. The air's cool, you're out on the patio, the smell of BBQ is hitting the air, friends are chilling, and the kids are running around the yard. That is what you're actually buying. When you break it down, $179 is just a few family dinners at a restaurant. But this, you'll use it all season and for years to come. Personally, I used to think a grill was optional until I got one. Now suddenly there's a reason to spend every weekend outside. Of course, if you never cook or don't have the space, this isn't for you. But if you've been on the fence, this is a must-see deal. These items aren't just tools, they're your ticket to actually enjoying the spring to the fullest. If you're a fan of BBQ afternoons, like I am, hit that like button so I know, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next round of smart shopping tips. And if you thought these were worth the money, just wait for the next part. We're moving into the tool nerd territory, where the real value is hidden in the specs and the smart choices. If you're the type of person who loves fixing everything around the house yourself, or you're just looking to build a no-nonsense tool collection, then this is your playground. At Lowe's, the power tool maze can make your head spin, but as someone who's gone through every kind of drill and impact driver, from the dirt cheap ones to the high-end stuff, I'm going to show you the real must-see deals. First up, let's talk about that signature DeWalt yellow. If you're standing in front of the shelves and have no clue where to start, this 2-tool combo drill and impact driver is the ultimate safe bet. Why DeWalt? In the trades, DeWalt is like a Toyota. It's durable, reliable, and holds its value. With this Springfest discount, you're buying into a battery ecosystem that is everywhere. If you don't want to stress about warranties or annoying little breakdowns, this is almost a can't-go-wrong pick. The second you grip a DeWalt, you'll feel the difference in that solid rubber overmold and perfect balance. You can work for an hour without your wrist screaming at you. It delivers a highly impressive sense of power every time you pull the trigger. Now, if you're saying, I don't need pro grade, I just need something that works for home repairs, then this is a deal I truly respect. You can snag a drill or impact driver kit for around $59 battery and charger included. Think about it, for less than $60, the price of maybe 3 or 4 casual dinners out, you've got a tool that'll stick with you for years. Craftsman has seriously stepped up their design game lately. It's lightweight, compact, and super user-friendly for beginners. For small DIY projects around the house, this is a total lifesaver that keeps you from having to knock on your neighbor's door to borrow tools every time you need to drill a hole. Finally, a deal I call a pro secret, the Bosch buy a tool, get a battery, or vice versa promo. This is the kind of deal a rookie might scroll past because the sticker price looks a bit high, but a tool nerd will see it's a total steal. Like I said before, the battery is the priciest part. Bosch is famous for their ProCore battery tech. It handles heat like a champ and lasts forever. When Lowe throws in a high-capacity battery for free, when you buy the bare tool, the actual value of your kit just jumped by 50%. I've used Bosch to bore through the toughest concrete in my garage, and it's sliced through like butter. The smoothness and stability are on a whole different level. You need to buy right now if you've already got a few Bosch pieces in your collection. You know, picking the right tool doesn't just make the job faster, it makes the work actually fun. Are you Team Yellow DeWalt or Team Blue Bosch? Let me know which ecosystem you're rocking in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to keep exploring these smart shopping tips with me. And if you thought the tools were worth it, just wait for the finale. That's where those 300 down to 100 clearance deals start popping up. And now we've made it to the most exciting part, the area I like to call the Pro Hunters Zone. If you've been patient enough to watch this far, you're about to be rewarded with deals that are honestly hard to believe. We're talking clearance, where the price tags are sometimes just a tiny fraction of what they used to be. But here's the catch. It's first come, first served. These items won't be in the flyers. There's no big ad campaign, and most importantly, not every Lowe's store is going to have them in stock. The first item that made me literally go, wait, what? Right in the middle of the main aisle was this flex saw. Can you guys believe this? From a retail price of over $300, it's currently sitting at just $99 at a few locations I just visited. This isn't your typical discount. This is a total system shock. Why is it worth it? Flex is the brand that's currently blowing up the market with their stacked lithium tech and raw muscle. For less than $100, you're getting a beast that can slice through thick lumber like a knife through warm butter. Holding it in your hand, you feel that heavy-duty, pro-grade build that is highly impressive. This is the kind of deal you don't find every day, and if you see it on the shelf with that red tag, you need to buy right now. Don't hesitate for even a second. While everyone else is staring at the big machinery, I found the real treasure on the lower shelves: Klein plier sets and Irwin drill bit kits. These aren't sexy or flashy like a lawnmower or a grill, but trust me, these are the tools you'll actually have in your hand the most throughout your DIY life. Klein is the gold standard for electricians, and Irwin is famous for being tough as nails. These combos are being marked down deep to clear space for new models. Snagging these for the price of a few boba teas is an absolute steal that any tool nerd will recognize instantly. These are legitimate lifesavers when you need to fix a broken outlet or hang a shelf over the weekend. Clearance at Lowe's is a game of speed. It might be sold out at one store, but the location a few miles down the road could still have a full shelf. So check the Lowe's app or floor it to your nearest store right now. We've gone through a long list of wallet-draining deals at Lowe's Springfest 2026. I know, standing among thousands of bright red and yellow sale signs, it's easy to hit decision paralysis. So as your partner in crime who's been behind the wheel and tested the gear, I'm going to boil it all down. If your budget or time is tight and you can only toss 3 things in the truck right now, these are the 3 you need to buy right now. Best overall ego string. Trimmer, the smartest investment. This is the ultimate game changer. Instead of bleeding thousands of dollars every year on lawn services, you invest $359 for a pro-grade cordless system. Getting that $200 attachment for free is highly impressive. It's not just a tool, it's freedom and quiet for your family's Sunday mornings. Best Budget Craftsman $59 drill, the no-brainer for every home. If you just need an all-purpose tool to handle everything from loose screws to hanging pictures for your wife, this Craftsman kit is a lifesaver. For the price of 3 or 4 breakfasts, you get a durable, compact machine. This is the smartest entry-level pick for anyone who doesn't want to overspend. Best surprise, Flex Saw Clearance, the hidden treasure. Don't forget to scout the clearance section. If you're lucky enough to find that Flex Saw marked down from over $300 to $99, grab it immediately. This is a price shock that even the pros will find staggering. Its wood-cutting power will make you feel like a real master carpenter. I hope this quick recap gives you that extra boost of confidence before you head into the deal hunting battlefield at Lowe's. Have you picked your winner from this power trio? Yet, let me know in the comments. And remember, deep dive real-world reviews like this can only exist thanks to your support. Hit that like and subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video, where I'll reveal how to combine these tools to build a chill patio furniture set for dirt cheap. And that's a wrap. We've officially scouted every corner of Lowe's Springfest 2026. I really hope this list of 12 items helps you not only save some serious green on those red-hot receipts, but also pick the right high-quality gear for your home. Now, I know every Lowe's store across different states is going to have its own unique clearance markdowns or hidden gems. Have you scored a deal even better than what I just shared? Or maybe there's something on this list you've tried and hated. Drop a comment right below. I read them all, and I'm always looking to learn from your real-world, boots-on-the-ground experience. If you found this video helpful and it saved you even $5 or $10, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe right now. That's the best way to make sure you don't miss out on the killer deals at Home Depot, Costco, or Amazon that I'll be dropping next week. Hit that notification bell to be the first to know one last quick heads up. The prices and promos I've shared are current as of this filming in late March 2026. Prices can flip-flop depending on your region and the local stock levels at your specific store. Just to be crystal clear, I am not sponsored by Lowe's or any brand in this video. Every single review is based on my personal experience and the perspective of a seasoned shopper to keep things 100% objective for you guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the very end. I hope you have an epic Springfest and snag a ton of massive deals. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.